Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on PHP. As we have gone through many more videos on PHP such as PHP database connectivity, then PHP JavaScript, using JavaScript, then PHP with Ajax, then PHP with Graph, PHP with XML, PHP with images using Ajax, then PHP with MongoDB, curl operation on MongoDB using PHP, then Java, Postgres connectivity, and many more videos on PHP. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. It is all about REST API using PHP. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. Now I will give an example about what is API. Suppose there are different customers sitting in the hotel and different customers are demanding different dish, and the waiter knows who is demanding which dish, but the person sitting in the cook doesn't know who is demanding which dish, means who is demanding vada pav, who is demanding dosa, who is demanding idli sambar, who is demanding uttappa. The cook doesn't know, the waiter only knows. That means cook is called the server, your waiter is called the API, and you different people are sitting in the hotel, they are called different operating system. That means different ways through which they access. So it may be Linux, it may be Windows, it may be Mac OS, it may be Sun Solar. So let us go through the program now in detail. First of all, we will go to database.php. This is database file, connectivity file. Now I will go to header.php since we want output in JSON format. So remember, API means request and response. Then user.php, select name, email, contact number from user2. I will show you the user2 table. Now this encrypted plain text. Now include include.php, these are the important files, and login.php, this file here JSON format, and at the last sign up.php. Okay, here also I have done mistake. PHP now we will see the, first of all we will see the login PHP response and request. First of all, HTTP REST1, then yes, so we are getting output login.php, name Sachin, email, and this thing in JSON format. Okay, now we will have user.php. Yes, we are getting output in proper format. One thing I will do, I will use Firefox, it will be getting proper output. Okay, login.php. Yes, here output is much better. So here raw data, in the sense this is called raw data, then JSON format, here is the reason. Now I will see sign up php. Yes, since the data is sent to server but values are not inserted, that's why it is giving code 400. Now these are the response from the server, request and response. User dot php. Okay, nice output. Raw data, JSON format and headers, and we will have at the last index dot php. Yes, code is, since we are connecting to server, so it is 200. Server is working and data is not, so raw data, server data not in the sense. So I have successfully done with REST API using PHP. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.